Welcome back to Math's Easy, step by step. In this part 111 video, I've got another practice test question you might see on these standardized assessments. Let's get right on in here to it and get to it, Pruitt. A glass jar has 5 blue coins, 4 red coins, 3 green coins, 2 purple coins. What fraction of coins are green and purple? Option A, 5/7. Option B, 1/2. Option C, 5/14. Option D, 2/3. Yeah, let's do a real quick review of visualizing fractions. You know, the top part of the numerator of your fraction is your parts, right? The denominator, the bottom part of your fraction, is the whole or the total possible value. So you can see here in review, we have parts to whole, right? Parts are the individual coins, 5 blue coins, 4 red coins, 3 green coins, and 2 purple coins. And so the top part of our fraction is going to be 3 coins and 2, right? 3 green and 2 purple. So the whole, the denominator, are all of these coins added up together, right? 5 plus 4 is 9, plus 3 is 12, plus 2 more is 14. So that's going to be the bottom part of my fraction, the total, which is 14 possible coins. Okay, so you can see right here, 3 green coins out of a possibility of 14 total coins, plus 2 purple coins out of a possibility of a total of 14 coins. The denominators are the same, 14 and 14. It stays the same throughout the answer. Now, since it's the same in the bottom, we can add the top. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5/14. You know I'm going to ask this question. Can you reduce 5/14? Is there a number I can divide in the top and bottom other than 1 that will simplify or reduce this fraction? Well, I have an odd number on top, an even number on bottom. What do you think? Okay, so there's no number other than 1 that can be evenly divided into both 5 and 14. So our answer is 5/14. It cannot be reduced. So the answer is going to be C, 5/14. So what does this fraction mean? Well, out of 14 coins, you would be able to draw or pull out 5 green and purple coins, right? 5/14. Math is easy. Take it step by step. Thank you for joining me. If I've helped you, please help me to help others. Like, follow, share, and subscribe.